think it's it. Welcome back to the channel, man. Yeah, based off those last numbers. 06. Oh no. I hope I don't get blamed for this. Oh man. Guys, this is easily fixable, guys. In fact, I think I have a video out. If I don't, I'm gonna make one. I'm gonna try to sell this, and if she buy it, I will have a video out on it. Alright. 06. I don't know what this have in it. Based off that, okay. Off that badge, it has a Hemi in it. None of that matters though. Well, I guess it do matter. It's in for overheating. Now, when they told me it was 06 model, I immediately thought 2.7. Guys, you know when you put the words 2.7 and overheating together, oh, that's something don't mix. I ain't get, oh no. Let me guess. Oh, freaking battery dead. I think this car was towed in. All right, let's take a peek anyway and see what we may be up against. Alrighty. Tow truck dropping off of 1500. What'd I say? I said Hemi based off the badge. Sometimes people put fake badges on their car. Yes, it's a Hemi. Overheating. Guys. Got go into panic mode when that light messing y'all up. Y'all see that? That is a brand new radiator. Guys, anytime, especially the 2.7, anytime you have problems, overheating problems, and you're replacing parts and you still overheating, something internal may be going on. You may be getting exhaust gases in the cooling system. Hey, JT, you talking too much. How you find out if that's the case? You can do a, oh no, ain't nothing in here. You can do a head gasket test is what they call it. Basically, you're trying to find out if you're getting exhaust gases. That means you got some internal problem going on. And we're not, this day and age, guys, and nobody fixing head gaskets. Nobody replacing head gaskets. Especially shops. Shops that's trying to prevent from getting lawsuits and all that stuff. But I don't know if that's the case or not. Simply because I can't get it to run. I got to go jump it off. See if it'll jump off. All I know, it could be locked up. Look at the condition. Look at that water pump. It's all rusted out. Yeah, it's hard to tell. I mean, that's not going to tell me nothing looking at the... In fact, hold on. Let me take a look at the... Where's the oil? See if I can get any kind of indication from this. This looks like regular oil. I have to go get my jump box, guys. We're going to jump this thing off. I'm going to take a look at this. This is one of those baffle cams. Y'all see that? Let me make sure y'all get a good. Oh, buddy. That is a pure sign right there, guys. The buck stopped right here. Look down in there. Like I say, the sun blocking off everything. Guys, this car showing signs of exhaust gases getting into the combustion system. That is a no-no. I stopped right here, guys. This is basically all I need to see. Now, I know a lot of you guys, that's as far as you're going to do. You ain't going to do a head gasket test. You ain't going to do a compression test. Guys, it doesn't matter. I'd be wasting time. But because my customers, I'm going to spend at least an hour on this. But there's nothing. Listen to me, guys. Let me explain something to you sensitive people out there. And there are some sensitive ones on here big time. There was a guy try to join me out because I broke a part that's going into the trash can to get it off easy. I can't believe you breaking parts. Look, clown, the part is going to the trash. I broke it off so I can get it out of my way and speed up the process of doing the job. All right. And, you know, it just went on and on. Some people are extremely sensitive. You're not going to test this. You're not going to. Look at this, guys. My boss man. If I wrote up anything, let me say it like this. Let me do it this way. If I wrote up tear down time or replace head gasket, first thing that happened, I get called in the office. Why are you writing up head gasket? Because I saw signs of water, or I saw signs of exhaust gases I saw milky oil substance in the oil cap. Okay then, JT, why didn't you write up an engine? Because I want to try and see. No, we don't do that. In fact, nobody does that. Get your butt out there and write me an estimate on. Okay, boss, I'm going. I was just trying to, YouTube, they be want people to check stuff and waste a lot of time looking at stuff when they can obviously see that there's internal problem. In any internal problems equal engine. In YouTube case, motor. Y'all know how y'all do y'all words. So, no way on earth I would get in trouble if I wrote up anything trying to repair it. Especially, look at this, guys. This is a brand new throttle body. Why is this? This don't have nothing to do with overheating, right? Now, y'all remember the warning I gave y'all as far as this. DIY guys replacing throttle bodies and can't relearn them. Watch this video right here. It's a big no-no. Don't do that. But anytime I see an overheating car and I see stuff like this is a dead giveaway. I'm not gonna, and especially they come here. If you saw this leaking, and then granted, guys, if you see a physical leak, yes, you have to fix that leak in order to proceed with the diagnosis. I get that. So if I saw a leak right here, I can't go no further until I fix that leak. Once you fix that, then you can check. And you may just check just to find out you getting exhaust pressure. You're getting high coolant pressure, and that's what's boiling out. Probably no reason, no coolant in there, probably because it all boiled out, because it's overheating. And this is my true indicator right there. So the moral of the story is, yes, we're not going to waste a lot of time on the inevitable. Okay, and the inevitable is I have no choice but to write up a complete engine, because I see signs of exhaust gases in the coolant system. Head gaskets? No. This is an aluminum head, made it to cast iron steel block. Okay, if this car overheated to the point where these head warp, we're not sending them out to get them checked. No, guys, all of this is considered time and risk. No, risk is the word I want to use. All of this is considered risk. It is totally no risk to replace the engine. Yes, it's going to cost a lot more, but you give yourself a peace of mind and you give the customer a peace of mind. But the added price that goes along with a complete engine is, I understand it's high, but you got to weigh your option, man. Yes, I don't know what else to say, how else to explain it. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys. I'm not gonna even I'm gonna go talk to somebody and let them know what's going on. But other than that, why waste time? It's my point. I know some of you guys gonna lose, you know what I'm saying, guys. This is a brutal. All right, we'll talk about this some other time. But this and the condition. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.